Fitting. This is a 2020 Range Rover Evoque protected with a Halo Mini. The customer's also gone for an insurance approved S7. If a thief got this key with a Halo Mini protecting this vehicle, they're not going to be able to drive it away. It's just simply not going to go into gear at all. You see the engine's running, vehicle's not going into gear, foot's on the brake, nothing's happening. So for the customer, they'll go through a code, receive a flash from the hazards, and then they can select a gear. As soon as they exit the vehicle, we get a 2 flash activation and the system's active. So if a thief grabbed this key, went to drive your vehicle off, it's just not going to go into gear. They're not going to be able to drive it away. This system has an unlimited service mode, so when it goes back to the main dealer, it can be a normal vehicle. To turn that on, you pop your code in and hold on the last press for about 15 seconds and we'll get 5 flashes. So we'll keep that button held. This is done without starting the vehicle. Keep that button down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can turn the vehicle off, and you see we don't get our double flash activation. So while it's at the dealership, it's a normal vehicle. It starts, goes into gear like nothing's fitted to it. It's just a normal car. When you get it back, you do the same process again to take it out. Foot off the brake, pop your code in and hold the last press for about 15 seconds again. This time the only difference is we're going to get 1 flash and the system's going to come out of service mode. So we keep that button held, we've got our flash. Now when we turn it off, we're back to normal, our 2 flash activation, and the system's armed. Customer can choose their own code on this, and how they'll do that: turn the ignition on, obviously with their foot off the brake. First prove it's them by putting their code in, they receive a flash. Then we'll press the cancel button 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get a double flash, and now we set a new code, so we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off. That's our new code set. So just to confirm, 1, 2, 3, we don't get a flash, so we'll turn it off, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get our flash and we'd be able to drive away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.